Hello students, welcome to e-learning. Hope you are doing good in your studies through these videos. Today I am going to explain you fourth lesson from your first flight textbook, and the name of the chapter is From the Diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. Before we proceed to the chapter, let us go through these points. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank was born on 12th June 1929 and died in 1945, was a German-born Jewish girl. जर्मन में born हुई थी और Jewish girl थी. Jewish means एक धर्म जो होता है वो धर्म को मानने वाली एक girl थी. Her family moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. After Second World War, Nazis had their power in Germany, so just because of their harsh rule, her family shifted to Amsterdam. After 2 years of hiding, they were transported to a concentration camp system where she and Margot Frank, her sister, died due to typhus, which is an acute infectious disease. नाजीज ने नीदरलैंड्स में कब्जा कर लिया था सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद. इसके लिए नाजीज से बचने के लिए 2 साल तक वो लोग छुपे रहे. हर फादर ऑटो, द ओनली सर्वाइवर ऑफ द ग्रुप, रिटर्न्ड टू एम्स्टरडैम आफ्टर द वॉर एंडेड टू फाइंड दैट हर डायरी हैज बीन सेव्ड. 2 साल के बाद ग्रुप के सारे लोग मर गए थे, सिर्फ एन फ्रैंक के फादर ही जिंदा थे, जो वापस से एम्स्टरडैम आते हैं ये ढूंढने के लिए कि क्या एन फ्रैंक की डायरी बची हुई है. और जब उन्होंने देखा कि वो डायरी सेफ है, तब ही गॉट इट पब्लिश्ड इन इंग्लिश अंडर द नेम द डायरी ऑफ यंग गर्ल. नाउ दिस इज द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ एन फ्रैंक. As she was writing the diary for the very first time, it was very unusual, very uncommon for her to write her feelings and experiences in diary. क्यों उसे इतना strange और unusual लग रहा था? Because she was feeling that in the near future no one will be interested in reading about a young girl's diary. ना ही किसी और को इंटरेस्ट होगा, और वो सोचती हैं कि ना ही मुझे कभी ऐसा मन होगा कि मैंने अपनी डायरी में अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस और अपने फीलिंग्स के बारे में क्या लिखा है. इसके लिए वो सोचती है कि मुझे डायरी नहीं लिखनी है. बट देन ही पुट्स दीज थॉट्स अवे. ये सारे विचार उसने साइड में रखते हुए उसने सोच लिया कि मुझे आज डायरी लिखनी है. फाइनली शी थॉट ऑफ राइटिंग डायरी just because there were many kinds of things which she wanted to get them away from her mind. अपने दिल और दिमाग से बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें थी जो वो हटाना चाहती थी, तो वो तब हट सकती हैं जब वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस, जब वो अपनी फीलिंग्स अपनी डायरी में नोट डाउन करेगी. Anne Frank feels that paper has more patience than people. Why she thought of that? Because once she was feeling very depressed, bored and listless. Listless means with no energy or interest. एक बार जब वो बहुत दुखी हो गई थी और अकेलापन महसूस कर रही थी, तब उसने सोचा कि पेपर में ज्यादा ताकत है. किसी इंसान को मैं अपनी फीलिंग्स शेयर करूं, then it is much more better that I should share my feelings with that of paper. She finally decided to stay at home, and again she said that yes, paper does have more patience. Students, one word brooding has been used in your text. The meaning of brooding is depressed or troubled. अंदर से दुखी होके उसने कहा कि हाँ, मैं किसी इंसान के साथ शेयर करूं. It is much more better that I should share my feelings in my diary. Finally, she decided to write each and everything that came in her mind because she did not intend on making someone read it unless she found a real friend. By real friend, she meant a friend with whom she could share all her secrets. The author then comes back to the point where she thought of beginning to write. It is because she is lonely and has no friend to talk about. No one is going to believe that Anne Frank is all alone. वो कहती हैं कि कोई मुझ पर ऐसा विश्वास नहीं करेगा अगर मैं ऐसा बोल दूं कि मैं अकेली हूं. बात सही है, because she had a loving family, nearly about 30 people that can be called friends, loving aunts, and a good place to stay. Everything was fair enough in her life, but only the lacking or only the missing point was a very true friend with whom she can share her feelings. She could not have good time with her friends. Anne Frank was not able to get closer to any of the friends with whom she could share her personal feelings. And Anne Frank says that maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. Confide means to tell personal things privately to a person that one trusts. एन फ्रैंक कहती हैं कि शायद हो सकता है कि ये मेरी गलती हो कि मैं किसी के ऊपर ऐसा विश्वास नहीं रख पा रही हूं जिसकी वजह से मुझे कोई अपना ट्रू फ्रेंड नहीं मिल रहा है. Finally, she feels that the current situation cannot be changed and thus she needs to write her feelings in the diary. And she is going to call her friend Kitty. So students, this was the first session of Unit 4 Anne Frank, and you are supposed to write it down the question answers as your today's task. Number 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 questions which I am giving you of first session. Please complete it. In our next meeting, that is in session 2 of this chapter, I'll continue with the story and will explain you people what happens next. Study well, keep your work updated. Thank you.